Hey guys, hope you all doing well. Welcome to my channel Fox on Wheels, and today is a very big day for me because I'm going to start my Project Polo. Okay, in my previous video I used to tell that a lot of modification videos are going to come, so today is the day I have to start my entire project for this Polo. So I will give you all the information, what all modification I'm going to do, what all things I'm going to change. Okay, watch the video till end. So guys, we'll start the work from the exterior part. Okay, you can see this is the 2013 model Polo. Okay, and first we are going to change the bumper. We are going to convert it to the 2022 model, which was the latest Polo was released. Okay, so first we are going to change this bumper. So there is no plans for the headlight, but the entire grille, entire fog lamp, everything is going to get changed. So this is the first modification which I'm going to do, and then we will come to the exterior part, I mean rear. Okay, when you come to the rear, the rear bumpers will be changed. You can see this is the 13 model bumper, the type 1 bumper, and the bumper will be changed, and the antenna is missing. The antenna will be installed, and the rear spoilers will be installed, and most importantly the tail lights will be replaced. I'm going to install the type 3 tail light, which was the latest tail lights. So I'm going to install the type 3 tail light as well. So this is this is for the rear part. Okay, front bumpers will be changed as I explained. So these all things I'm going to change. Additionally, you can see here there is a wheel cap is missing, the logo cap is missing. I'm going to install the logo cap as well. Yeah, so this is all from the exterior. I will give you more information regarding the interior modifications. Now we'll start. I will tell you what all interior modification going to be done. Okay guys, when you enter the interior part, first modification I'm going to do here is I'm going to change this gear knob. You can see the gear knob is completely damaged. It's pretty old gear knob, and I have installed this was a universal gear knob. So I'm going to change this complete gear knob. That will be the first modification of interior, and after that I'm going to install armrest as well. Here you can see there is no armrest, so I'm going to install the armrest as well. After that I'm going to install the 70 mats. Here you can see this is just a small mat. Here I'm going to install a pretty 70 premium mats, and after that I'm going to change the complete seat cover for this car. The seat cover is also pretty old, so I'm going to change the complete seat cover. Yeah, so almost we have covered the interior, and additionally I'm going to install install a 70 mats in the rear boot as well. You can see it's a pretty old mat. It's here, so I'm going to install 70 mats in the rear as well. And more than that guys, here a mud flap is missing. You can see there is no mud flap as well. So all the products are ready. It's just time to install and start the okay guys, as I explained, I'm pretty much excited to start the work, and I'm going to upload all the videos episode wise, episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, as I explained. And yeah, all the work is going to be start in this beautiful workshop which is called Moto Rhythm, located in Bengaluru. I will add the link in the description as well. Yeah, I'm pretty much excited, and each and every video, I mean each and every episode is going to be crazy episode guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Meet you all in the first episode. Till that, take care guys.